Is your back office stuck in the 90s? You're still using email, spreadsheets, and checks to manage expenses, invoices, and travel? Even your automation tools are as slow as your inbox, leading to unhappy employees and impatient customers bombarding you with messages. Well, those days are gone. Expensify brings you expenses and travel at the speed of chat. It's the super app that transforms your back office. With a chat-first interface, it streamlines your financial tasks and eliminates the need for multiple tools. See why over 15 million people choose Expensify. For employees who submit expenses, it starts with a big green button. Just create an expense, snap a photo, and send. We handle the rest. Managers get notified whenever new expenses are ready for approval. They can approve immediately or chat with the employee for more information. Prefer to see everything in one place? The reports page brings it all front and center, with key actions just a click away. Approve and pay expenses individually or in bulk. Create custom searches to find what you need faster. Export to top accounting integrations, and more. The best part? Set up your team on Expensify in minutes. Create a workspace. Enable the features you need. And get help from a real human setup specialist. As you grow, Expensify scales with your business, unlocking more functionality like travel, corporate cards, and invoicing. Talk with a setup specialist today to learn more about Expensify. It's money at the speed of chat.